What's the meaning of Arthur Quiller-Couch? Arthur Quiller-Couch. Arthur Quiller-Couch.
Arthur Quiller-Couch. Arthur Quiller-Couch. Arthur Quiller-Couch was a British author, poet, and literary critic who lived from 1863 to 1944. He is best known for his work as an editor of the Oxford Book of English Verse, which was highly influential in shaping English poetry in the early 20th century. Quiller-Couch was also a prolific writer in his own right, publishing novels, short stories, and essays that were widely admired for their literary style and craftsmanship. Today, he is remembered as a major figure in the development of modern English literature.